how to apply for a personal loan through Regions Bank Online. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So are you looking for a personal loan? Well, here is how to apply online with Regions Bank. So now, without further ado, let's get started. So first thing first, open any web browser and now here once inside, you can just click on the search bar and simply search for Regions Bank. And now here on the search result, you simply have to click on the first link and after that, you'll be prompted to the official website of the Regions Bank. Now here, you simply have to log in with your credentials and once logged in on your home page, you simply have to navigate to loans or select personal loans. And there you simply have to click apply now and fill out your personal information, loan amount and the purpose of the loan. And with that, you simply have to provide financial details including income, employment info and any existing debts. And after that, you simply have to review the loan terms, interest rate and repayment option carefully before submitting your application. And with that, you simply have to click submit application. And after that, you'll receive confirmation and may get a decision instantly or within a few business days. And that's it. That's how you can apply for a personal loan through Regions Bank Online. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.